Have you ever been confused in connection with any SAP solutions? If you have, I totally understand you because I was confused also. Introducing SAP solutions can be a mission impossible. There are tons of them, so right now I do not plan to introduce you the complete portfolio. I only want to focus on the most used ones. If you are using SAP, you probably use the common ones, the SAP Business Suite applications, some analytics solutions, or one of the newest products like SAP HANA. But if I'm really honest with you, most of the regular SAP users only use the two most common solutions, the SAP ERP and the SAP BW. So let's focus on these two solutions and talk about them in more details. As I already mentioned earlier, in 2004, SAP introduced the SAP NetWeaver platform that unifies and integrates the different SAP or non-SAP applications and serves as a runtime environment for them. So to say, this is the technical foundation for many SAP applications. On the top of this unified platform, SAP provides many applications to help businesses, and the two most common ones are the SAP Business Suite and the SAP Business Warehouse. On the one hand, the SAP Business Suite is optimized for automating the core business processes and processing transactions in real time, cost and time efficiently on a large scale, and thereby making businesses more successful. The previously mentioned business processes generate a large amount of data. It's obvious that we do not collect this data in the SAP Business Suite just for nothing. That's right, we need to analyze the data generated by the SAP Business Suite and use it for making strategic decisions, thereby improving our businesses. However, this solution is not optimized for analyzing huge amount of data. And this is when the SAP Business Warehouse comes into the picture. It has a flexible database that is optimized for reading a large amount of data and thereby enabling businesses to run ad hoc and complex analytics. In the coming few minutes, we are going to focus on the upper left and talk about only the SAP Business Suite. I don't want to talk much more about the SAP BW because this course mainly focuses on the SAP ERP and not the BW. But if you want to get familiar with the basics of the SAP Business Warehouse, I highly recommend to watch the introductory course from my colleague Laszlo Mészáros named SAP Business Warehouse: The Big Picture. This course gives an easy-to-learn overview through simple examples how an SAP Business Warehouse system can help for business analysts and planners to accelerate their work with its automated centralized database and with its BI tools. Alright, this is about SAP BW, and now let's jump back to our main topic and get familiar with the components of the SAP Business Suite. The SAP Business Suite is a complete integrated solution package with pre-configured business processes. These processes enable enterprises to run end-to-end scenarios, thereby businesses can innovate and grow like never before. In the core of the SAP Business Suite is the already known SAP ERP application, supplemented by other applications. The supplier relationship management helps businesses to evaluate, engage, and work with their suppliers more efficiently. With the customer relationship management, businesses can provide a better customer service, sell more products to existing customers, discover new customers, and maintain a quality relationship with them. The product lifecycle management gives an end-to-end support for businesses from inventing, designing, all the way manufacturing in order to bring new products to the market faster and provide the best quality on the lowest price. Finally, the supply chain management aims to manage the flow of goods and services by planning, executing, controlling, and monitoring of the different supply chain activities, and thereby coordinating effectively the process of creating complex products in collaboration with different suppliers. As you could see, enterprises can manage all their key activities within only a single SAP Business Suite. Although the SAP Business Suite is a small slice in the complete SAP solution portfolio, but it is still too lengthy to talk about all at once. So I do not plan to introduce you all the supplementary components. Instead, I'm going to focus on the main component, on the SAP ERP, and introduce it in more details. As you already know, SAP ERP enables businesses collecting quality data, controlling, tracking, measuring, and automating the core processes from financials, investments, sales and warehousing, production and human resources along the way to treasury or cash management, and thereby improving the quality and the efficiency of their businesses. To support these activities, SAP introduced a wide range of, so to say, group of functions, or more commonly known as modules, like financial accounting, controlling, or sales and distribution, all within the SAP ERP. So, if you work as an accountant for a company that uses SAP ERP, you probably work in the module SAP FI, or let's say SAP Financial Accounting. There is no difference if you are a salesman, but in this case you probably work in the module SAP SD, or more commonly known as SAP Sales and Distribution module. Generic solutions are not able to solve all industry-specific problems. That's why SAP provides at least 25 additional set of functions, or let's say modules, in addition to the core modules for industry-specific businesses. Oil and gas, media, banking, public sector, chemicals, retail, or even utilities can take advantage of the industry-specific best practices, pre-configured processes, and thereby become a market leader faster and grow like never before. Although we didn't cover all the SAP solutions, but you could get an insight into the small part of the SAP's portfolio, and now if you work in SAP, I hope you can place yourself in this wilderness depending on what activities you are responsible for. In this module, I introduce you many concepts, mention the tons of products and solutions, so in order to help you memorizing what is said, let me summarize what we have learned.